Hi class, here are the steps to create the actual 2D column graph for step number 6 from the mini project. So what you're going to do is technically record over your data. Here I'm just putting numbers for the first 4 values, and you're just going to highlight, well in your case the whole thing, but here I'm just going to highlight the first 4 columns. And you're just going to copy those values. Then you're going to go into an Excel file and paste them. Now, the actual software is going to be a little bit picky. Once you're in the Excel file, remove the number and any commas that you may have. So for example, here I didn't put commas. You might have put the commas because of the price being in the hundred thousands. But here I'm just going to remove the actual the numbers. If you did have the numbering, you leave them on the Google Doc, but remove it on the actual on the Excel file. So the other ones don't have it. Actually, this one does. This one does. So the numbers that you're actually running is just the price, and remove the actual number in 1 through 10 that I have on the Google Doc. And then also make sure that you don't have any commas. So once you do that, you're gonna follow the following steps, and give me just a second. Okay, you can see it here. So you're gonna highlight both of the columns. In your case, you're gonna have, well, a total of 10 values. Then you're gonna go to insert, and you're looking for this graph here. And what you should see is the price on 2022 in one column, and then technically the actual the price from back in 2014 in another column, and the software should put them right next to each other. Once again, you highlight the columns, and then you go to insert, and you're gonna have it there. Once you have it in your in the actual Excel, then what you're gonna do is, well, modify the title. You can just put house prices of the city that you're looking at, or any title that represents your data set. And then you could use a Word document, and then simply insert a screenshot of the picture. In this case, we're just going to get this portion. And then what Word did here is to create a picture of it, save it in your computer. So you're just going to do a left click, save it, and then to your mini project, give me just a second, you're going to actually just insert it. So on the mini project, so into the assignment on step number 6, all you're gonna do is, since you already saved it as a picture, you could just do insert and then upload the image. And then you should have just the image for step number 6.